Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons fondant step by step. Begin by weighing ingredients precisely and sifting almond flour with icing sugar for a silky base. Whip egg whites to stiff peaks while gradually adding castor sugar, then fold dry ingredients gently to retain air. Use a piping bag for even rounds. Rest shells until a skin forms, then bake with gentle oven heat. Prepare your filling while shells cool so assembly moves quickly and cleanly. Choose buttercream for richness or ganache for a glossy bite, and gently fold in flavorings like citrus zest or vanilla paste. Keep a consistent amount of filling on each shell to avoid overstuffing, which can break shells. Chill-filled macarons briefly to set the fondant layer before serving for the best texture and presentation. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and baking tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing filled macarons so much easier and less messy. A small kitchen win that helps when you bake batches. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want the same ones. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Small problems are normal and fixable with patient adjustments. If shells crack, lower oven temperature slightly and ensure trays are centered. Feet form best when shells develop a dry skin before baking, so rest piped rounds longer on humid days. For batter issues, practice your fold. The right consistency slides slowly off a spatula. Keep notes each batch so you learn what works with your oven and ingredients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.